We JC Ponampet Golden. We are conducting JC Autocross from past 7 years. National level quality track we are prepared. Past 1 week we are struggling for doing this track. 60 above participants participated in two-wheeler.
An array of powerful cars of various automobile companies battled it out. The rally was conducted from dawn to dusk with titles from many categories and classes up for grabs. Large-scale arrangements were made for this rally. Many champion riders and drivers participated in this rally and enthralled audiences with their riding and driving skills. They were seen competently riding and driving their machines at high speeds for a berth on the podium. Participants say that the track was technically challenging and a pleasure to drive.
Every year they'll organize good event. Tumma ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇರಳ ತ್ರಿಶೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು. ತುಂಬಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದು. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. It's very good to ride here.
The rally was a major tourist attraction. Residents of Kodagu and tourists were left awestruck by the fast and the furious. With the rally coming to an end yesterday, rally enthusiasts cannot wait for the next year's edition. Manjunath KB for News9, Kodagu.
Moving on, the 10-day-long puppet show got underway on Saturday at the Chitrakala Parishad. Since it's a must-watch event, we suggest you to make it a point to pay a visit to Chitrakala Parishad at the earliest. Here's a sneak peek into the show.
Look at the puppets here. The golden deer is running away and Sri Rama is targeting it with his arrow. This is one of the episodes from Ramayana. But if you pay a visit to Chitrakala Parishad, you will get to see several such episodes in the next 8 days. Yes, the legendary puppet show has begun in CKP and it will be on for the next 10 days. There are puppets which are about 150 years old. People and artists are thronging to see the puppet show.
Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad is very rich in the collection of these beautiful leather puppets, numbering more than 3,000. Over a period of 50 years, Chitrakala Parishad has collected these beautiful leather puppets by visiting many remote places where traditional artists are, even now they are continuing this tradition. We have selected some 500 to 600 representative collection of leather puppets and we have exhibited.
For the last 60 years, CKP has been collecting puppets to host this show. It has collected puppets from Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and several places of Karnataka itself. The lecturers of CKP have been doing this all these years. There are about 3,000 odd puppets in CKP's collection and most of them have been brought from Mandya, Hassan, Nagamandala and Tumkur. They are made up of animal leather and the artists have used natural colors to paint them. CKP has taken special care to protect them. It has announced prizes for visitors who identify the puppets. There were foreigners too watching and enjoying the rare show.
I came from Japan. Actually, we have two-dimension, even the three-dimension. You know, like a doll's puppet also, and like we have a joruri. It's a doll puppet. It's kind of there's so many different kind of. It's a very similar culture of the South India. You know, we have a kabuki. You know, when the theater activity, you know, so that is come from the yakshagana from the Karnataka. It's actually origin of the kabuki. I've heard that.
The response for the puppet show has been tremendous. Last evening, a puppet artist from Dharmavaram in Andhra Pradesh held a show. Since it will be on for the next 8 days, you can pay a visit and get engrossed in the mind-boggling puppet show. Shobha Jojiga for News9, Bengaluru.
Moving on, what do you want to do this summer? Well, what about bringing on some ice cream? That is precisely what happened in Mangalore. Here's a report.
Ice cream is so tasty. During hot summers, it has the ability to give that much needed coolness. In Mangalore, the coastal town, an ice cream eating competition was held for kids. For the last 20 years, such a contest is being held annually. The organizers are JC and Dinky, manufacturers of ice cream. This unique competition attracts not just kids but elders too. Held especially on Sundays at Kadri, elders too are seen enthusiastically participating just like young kids. As it is a competition, prizes are also given away. Kids eating ice creams in different ways is really a sight to see. The first Sunday of May every year is the competition held. No one needs any invitation. Even though there are prizes for the competition, the love for eating ice creams is beyond the prizes. Both elders and kids just forget themselves in the bliss of eating those ice creams. Rajesh Puttur for News9, Mangalore.
Moving on, science is always scintillating. The Nehru Planetarium had organized a science workshop for children, giving them more information on the world of comets.
This teacher that you see on your screen is actually teaching children about comets. The Nehru Planetarium in the city organized a universe in class, a workshop for high school children educating them on comets. For those students who had seen comets only on TVs or photos, this workshop was indeed a blessing as they came to know about comets in much more detail.
The Universe in the Classroom is a 10-day program where we teach all about the skies. Something happens in the skies, about the sun, the moon, something which is considered as common sense. We should have known it as common sense. But unfortunately, these are not taught in the schools now. So what should have been common sense, now we have to teach. So the basic things like why we have seasons, why the moon shows phases, they are not taught in the class at all. And they have all kinds of very fancy ideas about it and misconceptions. So we do hands-on activities, and then we have several models with the help of which we explain, and movies, especially for this age group. And then we also make them touch the telescope.
Every year, the planetarium organizes a summer camp with an intention to educate children on science. Students too enjoy such workshops as they come to know about many fascinating things about our universe.
I had come for here to study something about space. I'm very interested about astrophysics and astronomy. I'm not in Bangalorean. Here they teach about space, solar system, about stars and Earth, Sun, everything about space. I'm enjoying the class lot much. It's very nice.
They were showing the dry ice, in which the carbon dioxide was cooled, and then we saw that all the carbon dioxide was being escaped. So they put it in the beaker, added colors, but it was really enjoyable seeing all those and getting to learn many new things.
It is indeed a worthwhile attempt by Nehru Planetarium to take up such endeavors. Students too can utilize these classes maximally. Shobha Jojiga for News9, Bengaluru.